Yahshua be praised. You don't know, another rainy day in Jamaica. Yeah, it's raining. It has been raining all night. Yeah, not hard but consistently, so you know the place soaked. Plus days gone by. Yeah, some of them are still workplace. I wait for them to come in. Yeah. Yahshua we praise you. Yahshua is our strength. You know the gospel is the death, burial, resurrection, ascension, blood, water, spirit 40. Yeah man. You have to know Yahshua and in gospel. The only way that you get into salvation, you know? Yeah. Yahshua my praise. Yeah. Big up King Yahshua. Yahshua make me feel them way, you know? Yeah. Yeah man. Waking up knowing that I know a creator, you know? So you don't know them the feelings, man. That is a great feeling. Big up King Yahshua 24/7. Yeah. Yahshua is all. Yeah. My co-worker there. She be reading the newspaper. So baby. Yahshua lives.